Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'm going to quickly highlight some of the latest functionalities that we have released for ServiceDesk Plus Cloud. Surveys can be now triggered for problem, release, and change. It can be configured by going to Setup, User Survey, Survey Settings, and you can choose the required module from the drop-down. We have released a new functionality called Adap survey, which can be configured to get a feedback on a specific process rolled out within an organization. It can be sent to a specific set of users to get their feedback as well. Adap survey can be triggered on a daily, weekly, monthly, or an yearly basis and can be set to stop at a specific time. Checklist templates are now available within ServiceDesk Plus Cloud. The same can be configured and it can be associated to incident or service templates. List view export option, which is available for request module, is now extended to other modules like change, release, problem, CMDB, purchase, and contract modules. The ZIA AI prediction functionality is now shown for requesters as well. The prediction functionality offered by ZIA will load dynamically based on requester's subject and the description, which is given during the ticket creation. Admin can now enable the login of the users in bulk. They have to prepare a list of users with the login field set as true, and the same can be exported to enable their login. Please note, this option will work only for the users whose email domain is verified in the application. Similarly, the login can be disabled if the login field is set as false during the import operation. For purchase module, we have introduced two additional notifications. One notification will be triggered whenever there is an overdue in PO payment, and another notification will be triggered whenever a note is added to the purchase. Purchase and contract module will now support Lookup additional field. The supported reference entities are technicians, sites, vendor, and department. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you all in another video. Cheers.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore ServiceDesk Plus new features. First, let's see drill down analysis in ServiceDesk Plus, which is an invaluable tool for exploring detailed data within reports and dashboards. Starting from high-level summaries, you can click on specific metrics to dive deeper into underlying data such as ticket volumes, resolution times, or user satisfaction scores. By breaking down complex data into actionable insights, IT team can make informed decisions, optimize the process, and enhance service delivery. The next feature is software metering, which is another crucial application feature, helping organizations monitor and manage software usage across their network. It tracks which applications are installed and how often they are used, providing insights into license compliance, underutilized software, and potential cost savings. Finally, ZIA Bot in ServiceDesk Plus enhances workflow customization by automating tasks and streamlining service desk operations. ZIA intelligently categorizes and prioritizes tickets, predicts resolution times, and offers recommendations for resolving issues. It can trigger specific actions such as routing tickets or escalating issues when SLA is at risk. Additionally, ZIA allows users to interact with Service Desk via chat. Integrating ZIA Bot, you can automate routine workflows, improve response times, and boost overall efficiency in service management. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We will meet you the next time.